The real reason we're here today is because this fabulous group called the Business Connectors approached us at United for Families and said, hey, we really want to do a fundraiser and we like what you do, and so we want to do the golf tournament for you. And so they have done all of the work. John Carr, the chairperson, has just done a phenomenal job. He and Tammy Carroll are probably among the most amazing individuals I know, and they have really pulled it out. We've got 80 golfers here today. It's a beautiful morning. I think we're going to do really well. We're going to raise far more money than I ever expected. Our mission is to break the cycle of child abuse, and it's the reason why all of us at United for Families get up in the morning and leave our own families. We really believe in it. To have another group, to have a group like the Business Connectors also believe that strongly in our mission is just incredibly validating.